Hello, my name is Raphael Kohn and I'm in my second year of studying medicine at the University of Birmingham. I have ADHD, a neurodevelopmental disability which affects my concentration when I'm studying. Learning online is really difficult with my disability. I find it very hard to focus on Panopto recordings if lecturers don't record their face when speaking and have fairly static slides. Being able to see the lecturer's face really helps with concentration. I use captions on my recorded lectures, which give my hyperactive brain something to focus on. This is a provision in my reasonable adjustment plan, and it's also legally required. In my experience, with all of my lectures as pre-recordings online this and last year, having captions is incredibly beneficial, as my processing of the information is so much better. I'm able to internalise content at a much higher level, I can apply it better in my learning, and as a very hard-working student, I'm able to really succeed in my learning, which is a fantastic feeling. To put it simply, I'm able to learn at the level of other students who don't face the limitations of my disability. Therefore, it's so crucial to make sure that captions are accurate. It helps students with such a wide range of disabilities, from audio processing difficulties to deaf and hard of hearing students to students with attention deficit conditions.